This video will show you the steps for importing the Enhancing Statistics Teacher Education with eModules or ESTEEM materials into your Blackboard course. To begin, you must first be registered at the place to access the ESTEEM materials. If you are already registered at the place, click on the link for ESTEEM. If you are not registered, watch a video in our materials or in the description of this video on how to create an account. Once you're in the ESTEEM materials, on the right-hand side, find the box titled LMS Export Files and Help Guides. Click on the word Blackboard. This will begin the download of the zip file created for the Blackboard export. When this downloads, it will be in your download folder. You may move it to another folder if you wish, but leave it as a zipped file. Blackboard imports zip files when creating courses. Open the Blackboard course where you wish to import your materials. All Blackboard courses are not the same. These steps should be similar for your Blackboard course. On the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down to Packages and Utilities. Then choose Import Package. There's a gray box here that says Import Package. Click that button. To select a package, browse your computer. If you click on your Downloads link, if you did not move it, the ESTEEM Blackboard export should be the first one that pops up. I see mine here. So if I hit Open, then the .zip file is attached there. If you cannot find it in your browsing your computer, you may try to go to Downloads and type in the word ESTEEM to find the ones that were most recently downloaded. To select course materials, you can select all, but make sure that you select content areas, discussion board, task, test, surveys, and pools to make sure you get everything in there. But to be sure you get all the content, you can just hit select all and then hit submit. When you hit submit, the process will be queued. An email will be sent when the process is complete. I've imported this earlier, so I want to show you what it looks like in my Blackboard Shell. So all of the import materials will appear on the left-hand side here, and you can click on each one. So we have Module 1, Module A, and B. So if I click on Module 1, it appears here in modules instead in folders, which is different than the view that we have here in the actual ESTEEM materials. ESTEEM was built in Moodle, so it's a Moodle layout. But you can look at how it is arranged here and compare it to how it is arranged in the actual ESTEEM materials to make sure that it is arranged the way that you would like it to be. And of course you can arrange it however you would like to. The screencast assignment and the task design assignment are not in folders. Instead, they are just individual assignments that students can actually submit here. So if they click on the assignment themselves, they are able to import submissions and attach files however you want the assignment to be attached. The discussion board should also import the discussions that are relevant to this course. So if I scroll down, I'll scroll down more to the bottom, you'll see the actual discussions. The ones that were in my previous course are here, but you'll see the discussions here are linked as the ones that are ESTEEM specific. We hope that in using the ESTEEM materials, you can help further our mission of preparing mathematics teachers to teach statistics.